chat. And they come, I go explain Oluwaso. Because the way Oluwaso tell they do now, Oluwaso need to be very careful. Oluwaso, see me. I may be no give one of Deutschland. For the whole of Paris, go and ask of me. Me and you don't forget one or two before then. They bring your issue, come, you call the men. They not gay. They not gay. I know the fear person. I the only regard person. But me not the fear person. Go ask. Now, my people, when I share this video for me, oh, double bass, mama, you are welcome. Yes, join together. Now they listing. These guys will they prison today, so. He get one way that they call Gazi. That one get like take a friend for Paris. If Gazi below Adesuwa, he go Jane. If Gazi below Jane, he go Sandra. If Gazi follow Sandra Grishas, below finish, he go follow Jennifer said. Gazi was the most handsome boy in Paris then. Because they're not the handsome for prison. But Timaya is not among them. But in and them, they'll be the same level. Not the day. They'll be the same parties them. But Timaya was the most responsible guy. When they suffer, they do it all, they go for Paris. Because of the way Gazi take they sleep with girls. Because of the way Gazi take they sleep with girls. Gazi don't carry the one with senior. He get one girl now. That one on my party. In naked picture now. That it does still reflect again today. Me never call down now. I know why you're mentioning it. He get the time when naked picture fair reflect. Me as social media president, we die that matter then. I don't want to mention her name because of security purpose. A very fine girl. Naishan gay. If I got you, now me will call her again. Because why? You need to go Donisha some people. I'll give her the list of people who go Donisha. If you like, you go Donisha there. If they share your toto, not be a no get one, not be social media president one. Because where we have tried to protect these people for 3 years now. I'll be 4 years. Don't they go 4 years now? Where will they protect them? Because where? I let Epa know say, Epa, this guy in question, so then I just person I like. And I get with they respect me, they loyal for me. Gazi does the data. After Gazi don't date different guests, he go break their hearts. Who did they call Gazi so? The one where wear orange. Where they did the second picture. This guy that bad thing through. When you say person, they do shame. If they collect women money anyhow. I know sabi bolo to like that too. He knows sabi make love. If you do spare for woman body, 3 minutes, it don't come. He was doing shame. He was using woman money to live. He gets some guess. Where I'll go bring their picture come as soon. When Donisha, this Gazi. As the Donisha Gazi, they can't carry all his friends. Go reach Timaya will be innocent. Oluwaso never go prison. That one they form daddy for France. Small picking. If they form daddy for France. Oluwaso, he did way. Now, go do me what you want to do me. Me. If I fear you, Oluwaso, may I know what it costs. Because me, before I talk about person, I dey get reason. I know they carry, they talk about person. If I bring your picture, come my Facebook, you'll know say you don't lose God. Now I verse I want to give you a little show. I never want to saga you. Not beside the fear you. I senior you for age. I not be on meet. But I don't want to saga you today. I want to talk about people in the prison. As they come, what can happen? What will lead to the arrest of these guys? All those guys come team up together. See, these boys so way they form fan boys, so more put them for prison. You know too much. All those guys come collide. They can't join together. The girl, when this boy break his heart, they can't join together. They can't go Donisha Gazi. They can't put Gazi for prison. They can't they are waiting trial. Lady Precious man, you are welcome to my lecture. All those guys, out of frustration, they can't use Gazi to collect Paris document. 10 years. I don't blame all those guys who. Where Gazi break his heart. Where use Gazi to collect document. I don't blame all those ones. You know the one where I can't blame? The ones where be say, Gazi not even know. Don't use Gazi collect 10 years. The ones where these people where they prison don't know. They don't go to, they don't use like deaf police here. You will not know this boy. Where use this boy to collect Paris 10 years. France 10 years. Can't confess. Make them not go slice you for fridge. The way they slice that girl for fridge. When they slice that woman for fridge, I feel pity for that woman. Now 4 days ago, yeah, I can't say, here the Agbo boy. They don't feel Donisha person. Take get document 8 years ago. Whatsoever a man sow, he will reap. If you not say God did not friend you, Timaya not break your heart. Who again? The other one with the ground. He not break una heart. Una use them. Take collect document. This boy is not offend you. For all those guys where use them, take collect document, no problem. I not go blame all those ones. Now wait till the boy do them. Because some boys, if they want to break your heart, they don't even they care. Whether may you go there, they don't even care. If some boys want to break your heart, they don't care. I not blame all those guys. Where guys don't use God, where use guys collect document, no. Una where use people collect document for France. Una names. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Comment là?
You see me, oh. Oh. Hello, Guillet. Mogwa. Il est la vidéo. Il est là. Ok. Oma. Ok. Oma. Chérie, la Saviana, il m'a dit à Paris nier. Mona, listen to me. Whatsoever you do in life, it dey wait for you for front. If all these boys wait there era, you use them collect 10 years, and you don't know them all, but because the people go the donation they get document, you can't still go. The way they slice you now, I want to call her now. Upcoming slicing, upcoming dead body. Count yourself as upcoming dead body where they put for freezer. Because where it go reach your tongue. The 11 one that don't use this boy stay gather. But the one where they know, and the one where they don't know, les Saviens, les Paris, la slash, la fridge. Il y a des filles avec TikTok qui veulent dans sa bois. Because now wetin person know, na person they defend. Now children, now I born these people where they era. Now children, now I born these boys. I'm not in support say they shop women money, oh, they do this, they don't do that, oh. I'm not happy now say they don't give these guys 15 years. I'm not happy about it. I'm not, but what do I know? Yeah, I don't know nothing. Now, the reason why I come outside now, this will look sure. And I want to use this message. Tell message, if you know, say, God did not toast you when he did outside, when you never go prison. Timaya not know you. The other ones where there is picture not know you. You go use them, take gain favor from France government. They can't give you 10 years. La slash la future dead body, la fridge. La chérie, la au revoir. Get up for me, say, the time where you go take relax. The time where you go say, no, you need peace for your life. Now that time problem go take visit you. Because now waiting you not know. Now you take gain document. By the time waiting you not know, don't they find you they come. Get ready to la slash, la future dead body, la fridge, la policia, la heaven, la hellfire. Because whatsoever a man sow, he will reap. That girl now, I pity for her. But she not supposed to put people for prison just to get documents. This thing is common in France. Now, Oluwasho come. The way you they do now, Oluwasho, you be like future prisoner who is still there outside. Mad the way you take the waka, a thread where dey your head, go reach your leg as you did there so. Mad the kind of people where they call you la daddy, la respect, la daddy, la zaddy. You see all those people they call you zaddy so. If they shook out for your eye, you will know say, not be everybody will call you zaddy, not be really love you. It's an adverse. Wetin you know say you dey do for Paris, where you not clear, brother, remove your hand from that thing. Now adverse, I not consaga you. I know they fear you. But now advice I can't give you. If you like, you take. If you not still like, now you say you no give it down your name. Problem. But una way Dave Paris, where the guest name again? Where use all these guys where they Egan take get document. Some of una name they here. May I call na name? No. Make I call una name. Now so na wicked. Boys where una no know. Una use them take collect be. Say their own too much. Police go ask you, do you know him? You say la boyfriend, la bed, la gogo toto, la money, la break up, la leave you, la your destiny, la enemy. You even lie. Say na he bring you come France. He smuggle you enter France. If they lie to police, you go they cry. You they do they can't give you 10 years. You don't they happy they go. You see that 10 years what they give you. No, 10 years Zorish. But wait go hit you if they close to you. You can't use somebody where not do you anything. Take give favor from France government. May you say it is well with you. It can never be well with you. Now, message to France government. La government, la French, la Enoge in Deutschland. La Nigeriani in Paris, France. They lie so much. France government. May I speak pidgin? They might interpret for you. In Germany, we call it la domesha. But I don't know how they call person they interpret for France. The way una tell mumu France government una tell mumu. Una say una bebo, but na mumu it dey smell. Somebody go just come let una say. Now this boy bring me come. Una say me come to print. Somebody go not come from nowhere. Maybe he snap picture with this person for club. No proper arrangement. Me dey Germany, me never see document. Me not put person for prison. People, we don't even know these people. They never even see Gazi prick. Imagine we have Gazi prick. Now the same una go still go there, go tell they say, may they come to print. France government. Una go still there one day. Both una way arrest these people and the people, all of una go there. In France government, now and in 100 years time, una still there. Not una change your cause there. So why una call they do say as if una not go there one day? Where now I think like Germany, where somebody go just come from nowhere, come tell una say he know this person and not give a document. Una go the hire the person prison. Remember, as you go the tell they say you know them. Now they carry you come. Then they hire human being prison. Where human being you, we person born with 9 months the way they take born you. You that girl now. When you say guys, break your heart. When you say guys, sleep with only once, not sleep with you again, body call the pepper you. You see her for club, you say you must give her to Ogbas. As you can't give her to Ogbas now, they can't give you the 10 years now. What you can't use and achieve now. I am not supporting them. Say they break on heart where or they shop on money where. No. But wetin I can't do these people can't worse past what they do now. Anybody will say person prisoner, person worst enemy. And for say make I do like justice like Gazi. No. Because when Gazi dey outside, you know they look person, rich person. If I carry Gazi picture come at that time, I say they do me. A percent account. Larry. I know say you know they watch me now. But in that 15 years time, you go back to 2024. July 18. Come watch this video. Say me. I pity for you, I not pity for you. Because whatsoever a man sows, he will definitely reap. The reason why I call the pity for you be say, people where you not offend don't use you take cash out. People where you not sleep with don't use you get 10 years. They don't even go greet their mama. So not from lesbian switch. Say now you bring their con, they can use and get documents. No, ya lega. I mean, na my talelue. But the Lord is your strength. Wetin come pay me pass for all these people? I be Timaya. Where they suffer the La Timaya, la innocent. Where they suffer they live the all they go. Jejely. Where they go join body. Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Why, ma'am?
If I not be 10 years, no be they give them. Now 1 year, some 6 months, then they'll go work, they build the document. No be 30 years they share give them.
Okay, not be 30 years they share give them.
No, because now through the help of social, let the people get the document.
Share the video. Yeah.
No, not be 30 years, because not be Aduro, not be the win. Not be Aduro, the win. This document, so it's different from the 10 years document.
They go donation person finish, and they'll give us 6 months. That one donation not strong.
Yeah, 6 months. Yeah, 6 months or 1
that one not a bit like with that. Yeah. But some people they will still give the 10 years.
Yeah, that one are Aduro.
Yeah, all those ones are baba for life. They go slice all of them. They go slice all of them. Guys, you don't know now. Now go use the guys to take that slice. Wow. Now time you go take. Una oh, they know soon dead body. They will slice una. But tell you.
Don't problem, I leave you.
Where see? They say now 10 years they give them. Some collect 10 years, come off for Paris, enter another city. Some go Bordeaux, some go Nantes. Some go different places for France. Because of 1 year. You now when they give 1 year document. Your lie not strong. You see how France mumu. Una no say this person lie not strong. Una say give her 1 year. Person gonna give 1 year now, don't they go? He go the 12 for TikTok now. France France government. I don't like France. I like her for enjoyment. I no go fit stay any other country for my life apart from Germany. I hear by the thought say I relocate fire. If you go France, you not get money. Now there your problem for start for life. All these people they call you their party with they Germany. Now
Hello, the great no give one.
if you not get money, not go France. Oh no, please one my wagmo.
Hello, Enogi.
Eh?
Enogi, any get it about 30 years you are billing here, my brother.
You see how? There's not 10 years that they give them.
If they don't date boy, they see that boy want your true sense. Don't you go tell pass now the boy carry the car. It don't the rain for France for men
you were they the priest? Where we have one kind la go.
Hello.
You will be the priest, so where we have one kind.
Don't guess they this live the way they wash you now. They put person for prison. They hear what they talk now. Some of them.
No, they'll slice all of them.
Any girl or you want to shower man or ya like
I don't already swear for them. That's less the any girl because of say man say no they do again. You go donation and they prison. They'll slice you. They'll slice you.
That's what they do for France.
They'll slice you. They go slice you.
France police. That's what they do. France police don't want your year say they carry person come. Now be France.
Eh? They don't still investigate. Thank God say I don't go there.
The boy they do drag. The boy they use caro white.
Oh, thank God say I don't go. Thank God say I shall no boy. So I say you might fast.
Even police come not here call caro white.
Oh.
The one they also say the boy they use caro white. They get drag. They sleep small. Yana. Police has said don't want to.
The way they some people say they use the carouba for the Paris, how too much it be. How too much it be.
Oh, don't get advice how you get now. If they see man where they try, maybe they follow only by control boys. All these guys do a lap boys.
They do the lap. If you must stay in Paris, you need to the bleach. You have to be fair. You have to draw tattoo. You have to back up without driving license. Then you be big boy for Paris.
That's what they do for Paris.
I know there. I don't go there before.
They never get document. Yes, now.
Now we never go to Europe.
All those girls go they fight for the matter. Only the one where they talk small. So all those girls they fight themselves for that matter.
Can you imagine?
All these boys will carry come out. So if I tell you how many girls they fight for all these boys, my brother, you will base. I will block it because I see when I my boyfriend we were boyfriend when I baby want be small. Here we have a squad. All these girls here have a squad.
For you? And what?
Here have a squad. If don't worry, before you do this video finish, one of all these girls will call. They'll tell you the story.
I made the call. For me. Jesus, I need to know the truth of Larry. I need to know the truth of this issue. What did they solve? Why so no nai? Hello. I've been at Chateau Rouge. I've been at Chateau d'Eau. Paris, France. I don't like that country. If you dance for no carry. If you get train station, you pass 98 border before you go reach Erwe. They use Erwe to swear for them for that side. Erwe. You go Erwe. If you work out small border, you need ticket to the go. You need ticket to the go. You just. When I go last night, I know they come this country again. EJ.
Hello.
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 See me, oh.
Bonsoir.
Hey, bonsoir. Bonsoir. All these people where they put people for prison. I because he advised them.
Yeah, I get one thing I want to tell you.
EJ.
It's not possible. C'est pas possible. In France here, say person will go donation person, they'll cut 10 years, give that person. Never.
No, Larry.
Never.
That does way first pictures and speaking again.
Possible.
That does way first pictures and speaking again.
You say?
That French way you speak and speaking again.
C'est pas possible. It's not possible.
C'est pas possible. So.
C'est pas possible. It's not possible. So anybody where donation person where they give a document, that person too get problem. They monitor them. Any small thing into they go prison. You dey hear me so? They give a document, make forget hope till they give them more information. You dey hear me so? Any small thing, anybody will go donation person because of say donation they give a document, any document wey they give you, then too they monitor you, your phone. They monitor you anywhere where you dey go. Small thing, now you go worse pass.
Okay.
You dey hear me so? They give them that document to embrace them, make therefore they give them more information.
But me don't know, me know of 3 people where get document, they still there, they never arrest them.
They monitor them. Any small mistake into they go inside.
So all those people now, going there that they talk, they monitor them.
My brother, yes, they just monitor all of them. It's not possible for France, yes, say that you go donation. Once you go donation person, once you go report person for station, you dey suspect. They suspect you too.
Yeah, man.
You dey hear me so? Then they will give you document, maybe for they give them more information. And they know they give you more than 1 year document because they monitor you too. You dey understand me so?
Yeah.
So don't let anybody deceive you. All those girls, me I even like say many boys they play their true because now they deserve.
Wetin make you talk like that, madam? Wetin make you talk like
because
that?
Because they are too much. They forget where they for come. Where they come here, they will come they do shiri now boyfriend. Now they carry for head. If you see they carry boyfriend for head, it will be like say they don't marry the man put for house.
Till now, hold on, madam.
Yes.
Till now, be 2018 when I go last.
Which time with 2019? Even day before yesterday, self, my car spoil. I can't take train. They go. I they can't take train. They come back for work. When I see for this, if I say go sleep with a white man, he can't tell his boyfriend, "We go chop fried rice. We go chop fried rice." He want carry boyfriend out. They carry man for head like say they never see man before.
Yeah.
So they make as the boys they drink.
He said, "Make them go shop with him."
Make they go chop fried rice.
Salubwa.
He said, when they go chop fried rice, he don't know the store where they want for chop fried rice. Now that boy now I want to carry and go chop the fried rice. I just look at blessing me, I push and throw away. If you see them, they carry men for head like say they don't know where they for they come.
Now
so
all the girls who they Paris are be some.
I don't know all of them, but now the way I just they notice for the few ones when I they see. And all girls no fit just turn head go one side. You don't understand me? All girls no fit just turn, but most of them where these boys they deal with Shentro, not be all girls will not be boys they fit deal with they use Shentro for now. Most of them where they deal with that they deserve them. I beg they deserve them really. But anybody get out for your mind, anybody will go donation person for police, they get documents into their problem. But they switch them, they don't know that side of it.
Okay, but they give them the 10 years, sha.
Yes, now they want information from their momo.
They said that woman with the slide said they don't find donation person before that truth.
I don't know them all. Now for social media, now for see that one so.
Okay.
I never heard that one before. So that one, which state that one? This Paris, all of them they shout Paris. Most of them know the Paris so.
No.
Eh? But when they want to say France, they're there for France, they shout Paris. They don't spoil Paris name. Most of them, if you ask them, that woman where they slice for fridge, they don't be Paris in there now.
Oh, yeah, he did.
I don't know the city where they say it, but I know say no be Paris, no be in there. But if they want just talk, all of them they shall say Paris.
No problem.
If you ask them now the city where they did now, they'll tell you different city where they did. But if they want to talk and want them make it easy for them, they shout Paris.
Okay.
Huh?
All right. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
take care.
All right. I beg, if you be France, now you from the call, the thought truth. Anything fried rice, remove them. Just go direct. Okay? We are talking about picking where they born. It's not fried. Yeah, fried rice, I don't tell one. Fried rice, I don't tell one. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hello, again.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I beg all these things, this France issue that they are saying, they are all fake.
Please share this video for me. Share this video. Okay.
I live in France. I live in Mongolia. I see how Africans, the way we are here.
Where are which country are you from?
I'm from France. I'm in France right
No.
now.
Are you in Nigeria or Cameroon?
No. I'm a Gambian.
You are what?
I'm a Gambian.
Hey, Gambia, oh yeah, red on. Talk to us. Talk to us. You are welcome to our program.
My brother, they are lying. All this thing they are doing is fake life. If you see them in TikTok, just pass them.
Mm-hmm. You live in Mopoli. You live in Mopoli.
Yes, I'm in Mopoli, yeah.
So everything they are saying in France is a lie.
It's fake, it's fake. All of them you are saying
Go,
they are fake.
including that woman that is slayers in France is fake.
Yeah, I beg. It's fake life.
Oh, Salobo. Give me a while you here. Me now you are going to go Gambia with you, Salobo. Now you are going to Gambia with you. Now, over Gambia. Yeah, he call me, man. Now, we might get me to buy ye. Maybe I will not go very. Now we know to go. Or we can play well. Go. Ah! You know, you have a man. Oh, that is una day the Paris. For the president, Gambia person come the talk. When I get nyanya. You know, you are very funny. Power me. Star, come on, star. Where you know? After I don't laugh me now, I go to talk, go finish him. 1 naira, ime obuwa. Na I'm gonna see they call in no game we. And they touch nothing now. Say the truth, and the truth will set you free. This one don't put person for prison tire. For you to talk, say well, all what they talk since are all fake. This one don't go. It don't. That's I pity Gambia boys. All this one don't go prison tire. Yeah. Yeah, I beg you, man. That money. Hello.
I beg you, allow me talk. Before you begin, they say all these girls too evil. Now so their husband to kill them, bush at them. I be man.
Wait.
The country where I
Hold on. Not change my word, though. I beg. Wait. Not change my word, though. I say people. Where go put people. Where go donation people take get documents. Where it be say that person that they donation. You not get what they do there. They go slice them. I was there I talk. I not say if you offend person. No, speak pidgin. 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 Oh God. Speak.
Yes, now you speak so. I said donation. Donation are different type.
Yeah.
When you seek asylum for France as a girl, you say na madam carry you come. Then the gas station will put you. Then they call them smart. Some Arakobi. Now different associations depending on your city where you take.
Arakobi.
So those Arakobi. Now they give them their documents. Let's say a madam now Arakobi association is do. So they go say where the madam. You go feel bring information of madam, make the carry and go prison. Anyone where you bring madam come back, or you not bring madam, then you be able to bring proof. How you say they pay money to madam, and they see trace. If they feel hold that madam, they'll give you your 10 years or UN passport.
Okay.
That one asylum you did. So you don't pay the drag asylum with madam name.
Please share this video. Share this video. Okay.
But the one where these girls they do now, since our father don't take ban child prostitutes for Europe, people not they come for water. Madam will be caged, madam don't come out for their body. All these girls now they don't stay for the country like 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. They be the pen and madam now not be madam. Now they on their own freedom. None of them ready stay for association. Association they France, whether you be boy or you be girl, they call her Emma government get them.
Emma Roos.
Yes, now government get them.
Okay.
If you go to that association, they'll give you us. Government will give you contract if they accept you. Contract of work for 3 years. You go to stay government house. You go to work. They'll pay you. The money about 1,002. The money government will give you. They'll minus the house when you sleep. The food that they give you, your water money, they're going to give you 450 every month.
Okay.
After 3 years, they go MRU go give you paper. Then you go your professor where they ask you for work and how you take work. They go write. They will send everything to the immigration. As you read that, they'll complete you. They'll give you your 1 year document.
Okay.
You understand? So, all these girls, somebody they do all these boys now. All these boys want to do fine boy. Now, KC bar, now they stay. And I tell those girls they stay.
KC Club.
We.
Yeah.
So, now all these girls they stay. And all these boys, they don't get driving license. Their Aduro people don't die. So, they all day like that for the country. Any of them when they don't get baby mama, they get 3, 4, 2. Anyone where carry belly on the people road work, they go abandon her. They find another one where they do road work. Where want to be their permanent babe. All these boys, they don't get house. Now all these babes, they rent house from all those Coco Beauty people.
See matter.
Where get a babe. Maybe Coco Beauty people now, they always get a babe. All those Cameroon people. If you carry house for Cameroon, huh? Don't say one room, Cameroon boy, and see your keep a paper. You don't marry your wife for another, for the same 50 for Paris there. He and the wife go there like 3 bedroom flat with the children. But the one where he for the receipt letter, you go see the Paris, it will be like 1 room or 2 room a parlor. The wife na single mother, but like there they stay. He just still get in your house where government people they follow, they come. Now that one, if they rent, they give all these boys. Whatever they pay 350, 400 per room. That's the rent give all these. That's the rent give all these girls. All these girls for the stay. So all these boys now, you know they walk. You now you they drive motor. Now the girl go road work, go put fuel for your motor. You want go enjoy for the CK power for go to enjoy. Now the girl had the day. You don't want wear local shoe. Now you want buy marker. Now the girl want go to go to buy yan. Now all those receipts where that girl say they buy their clothes. They take care of them. All those assets where they pay. Now all those girls say they demolish them. They don't demolish them, they say they carry their come. Now all these boys, they are boyfriend. That means they don't want to come off for road because these boys want to walk. Now then they take off. Now they push them, they go the road walk. They not say they don't they bring proof. Proof where they buy our clothes, everything. How do you prove the receipts? Where they buy her for shop, for Foot Locker. Then they go where you can't do now. They'll cost it like you only want to get like 5 Nike. We know that for you to buy Nike, you must hold €130 to €20. When not there discount, you must buy original Nike for Foot Locker. Now for 100 plus. Now only when it does come to, now you go see for 80, 70 something. Then all these guys they buy them. Then they'll cost it go online, still do some online shopping, all those local shopping for side. So they see about original marker. Now all those things, now they tell government say, this work don't tire them. But the man in their life, no go agree make they leave this work. How are you not saying that this man they pressure you? When you not go loyal to association, when you go carry you, you know they do this dirty work again. I take of this boy, you begin to bring receipt of half when they pay for the boy. Paper when you buy your clothes. You know, like we go brief the thing when you do shopping of food. You go present everything. Then you as a guy man now when you get all those things, the police go check your house. All these your clothes, everything. Now bring it away for tire. You know if you get one. Okay, where how you say you see your money? You don't get money. The guy with the guy that they get money take. So man, when you want to do fine boy, take care of yourself. Also for yourself. People they do many things they get money. You must not be woman.
Exactly.
Don't pressure this get to put to talk for road again.
Yeah, this guy is very right.
No pressure there. And just a son running man. A boss that you running and after
they speak English now.
I say all these boys, they still they use food. They still they use okume. Mercy for all these women. So don't be said the woman still
to change your face.
So know your the ordinary eye.
But if they want to go donation, hold on. But if they want to go donation, they will come be ordinary eye.
If you want to go donation, come be ordinary eye. Nothing when you use mercy, they do where you go last forever. Like what God do for you in looking.
No be lie.
The mercy must say now. If nothing not the way they do mercy, no value life. Why not do for you? Make no time.
Be lie. You are very, very, very.
So mercy must. Make now Paris there we all day. We dey see ourselves.
What are the leo? Oluwaso. They lay they listen. Anyway,
Oh,
y'all
now you. Now they give their step. There is a parable say, he would not get old. Earth not the enter. As I come there now. But I dey carry the October so can come out.
need.
So now when you come carry am, say now it can be your source of income. Now there you play come virus am.
God daughter,
And you
Becky.
never service this boy with your money. Why you use all your life to worship her? You don't go
What
worship
is
come make
it?
balance when you come out for street.
Really
And
good.
maybe that's the boy that know the system, the girl know the tire for the work. You don't see the
Try wash.
one car. You know the fire that girl
Try
with the
wash.
trap for street. So the girl know the see and say, okay, this boy want to battle me now. After 3 years plus, I don't the labor for her. Because I don't say I don't tire for this work. So they call the one they misbehave now for the side one way how to do come. Then out of annoyance, they'll come ginger her. Now they'll go shoot her.
Jesus no ba.
When that 3 boys, 4 boys, when that 3 girls, they fight for only one for Paris. When the mess what they do for her, they work. Why you not cry come out? When you sweet at that time, when 3 girls they fight for only one.
Mona share this video now. Mona share. Mona toss up this video. We'll get to 1,000 like on this video. You people should share this video for me. This video needs to go like 300 share. Share this video. May we learn. May we learn. Bros, quick round them up. Somebody wants to talk. Thank you, man. We'll see.
I don't know do fire boy. Use your money to do your fire boy. Not be total money. That don't say why you talk.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wait till this guy talks so evidence. The next caller, please. Wait till this guy talks so evidence there. Una wey be boys for Paris. Where they shop with my money, they talk say no level. And una wey still be the women. They swear for una. Una come TikTok, come they live fake life, come they twerk. They twerk igbuwa. If I don't twerk finish, una go dey fight for boyfriend for real life. Boy go toast na for TikTok, una say e dey Germany. Say na single father. Boy go toast na for internet, say na shorty. E no come better pass this one, so na. Wey be say they don't use ogun tie your ear, deft your ear. Your papa will call you, no give them one nah. You carry boy put for head. They say see they happen till now. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Give Agmona. Hello. You call me, not talk. Who assume? If you want to push out for matter, talk to me. May I switch? Many people call, they ask me, say, what can they do in Nogi? Now they mad. That shaman that they use for France. Tell the shop gets money. Now if you want to use for me, oh, walk better. You be wanting shop for me so that from I just switch enter my people. I don't know. Waiting Tinubu see for life. So that many people come, they say, this is no gear, no. What so? You come in, no talk, thunder fire your papa. What so? Yeah.
Now good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
I want to talk for this matter.
Why you?
I know say Wetin get they do say there's the boy for police not make sense. You saw those boys for France, eh? So to go Wetin me do experience with my 2 eye. 5 girls go dey one, 5 of them go dey find one, but they no, they're not the quarrel.
Come again, please. Come again.
Guys, me Wetin me do experience for girls of France.
Yes.
They hear me that they hear for street.
5
girls you dey one.
5 girls.
Eh? 5 girls you dey one. That say 5 girls, I only one ball of the defense. All of them know. They know the color they put.
That's what they be for there. Now we never go that side. What you going to do for Germany?
No, not be juju. You go here, they go they make you go.
Yeah, in Germany.
You go say.
Yeah, you see, no give it God.
I want to that guy praise.
No give it
You go cut
God.
your call for the same room. You go cut your call. Another give me sit there for that the same. You go see that same the same boy. They go none of them are friends. They see not beside them. Even if they
any girl where this my sister talk say they really do that kind of thing. The day where you go dream her, may you donate that boy, they'll slice you. Amen.
They do one.
They'll slice you now.
If they yes, they hear get for France, they do one. Tell get that they follow one ball of the go no say that boy. None of the they follow, they not the call it.
Can't fake life be this one.
Now say who want liver, who not fit friend me liver. Get for one, make they hear me now. They do one, make sure like 5 days late. For that Paris make they do one, maybe no. Now they want ball of the difference. They know, but they still defend it.
You know the boy name?
I know the boy, but if I reach that boy, they don't look at me tell you.
No, you know what will happen. You know, in fact, now, now Paris matter, I'm not going to talk again now. Because, see, Una hold on too much again.
They go, you say they don't know. They go, no. They will stay there for the same place. This one will come for a place for this month. This one go to drop. The second one go to carry luggage. And they do so that one ball of the different.
They go pretend.
They know they pretend. They go, no, you go say, that one go to tell you, say, you go say, I want to see the name. That one go say, if you come, I mean, what can go.
Jesus Christ.
I don't think get they go say if you come. We I will not program I will say if you come, now me go come. You should also stay left now, they leave. You go say you not decide, they do not feel this prepare for anybody. We not feel stay like
I beg, if you don't want to use money to do competition, no gays are they are available.
If they want to go for the boy, when they want to go back, go give the boy. They go to do competition. Who give the boy money pass for his house? I don't think we get like that. For France, I don't think we get like that.
You see why the press say they go slice many of them?
I mentioned the family. I don't want to mention the four bad. I don't think we get like that.
Ew.
Get like that.
You see where I said they will slice? They will see slice many. This is the year of slicing.
They go no.
They go slice Mataya.
People that they follow, I don't know that they follow one boy. If the boy come not come give you here talk now, so now I go to do shout out. You not pay no of that the friend. You not so not me. But if the boy not come friend again now, you not so now I go to do shout out. That one make sense.
No, people that said that France, they just select all of them go put for that France. Because
why you go you just see the major difference. If man want your cash, the boy you can wet. Good job for head.
Oh, you the bleach.
I don't know what they use.
You get red. Oh, let me your day Jenny. Yeah, Jenny. No, tell me what they do for Jenny. Where be safe for France. 5 years they date one boy. Yeah, with Jenny. No favor. You are never way. No get wow with Jenny when they may. No get. What are you? I don't know. I don't know. 5 years the friend one boy. What? Yeah, one got moment. Yeah, with Saga. That moment. Just look at my life.
Okay, that boy. You don't know when you start to defend that. What you going to do that boy? No, it's only same boys when they do get that.
Oh, Mona share this video. This video carry. Wow.
I know.
Yeah.
But if you know, you withdraw yourself. Come down, sit there. Later, the person the boy shop their money. Not what do now get money pass.
Mona share video. Love and like, no cash. Love and like. EJ. Where's over here, man? Where's it? Thank you. You see what they talk just now? Say this is the year of slicing. Imagine that the dead boy. God. I raise Niash for Una France. Una. I raise Niash for Una. Hello.
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 I raise Niash for Una France.
Hello.
Hello.
I bet Lord want you to watch me.
Yes, now reduce my volume.
Reduce them.
Hello, good
Where you from the call?
Okay. Now Paris I did.
Okay.
Now
France.
Paris I did. What did that woman they talk? Find some now truth. But not the one where they talk say all the Paris girls that they day 5 the day room. No. Now let me one day room. You understand? And I know they share with my boyfriend. That one just day from one side. Why some girls for this? What did they do? It's really bad because why? Because those boys they not put one for their head, collect money for their hands.
Yeah.
You understand? Even for the Oluwa show, the boy returned the girl motor, give her back, say no need relationship again. Joyce collect the boy, the girl for the boy hand too. Small girl where Oluwa show their friend before. So that's not the one new thing.
get woman wey get 2 children for house.
That Oluwaso, oh. Never your talk go that side. We want to see the way you want to react first. Me, you see, I talk go that side since. I never want to go that side. We go do this video. Maybe we see the video what Oluwaso what can do, or maybe go do one for TikTok. May you wait. Now, advice I give Oluwaso, I never can sagaran. You understand? Just talk. Fair leave Oluwaso matter.
But okay, but for say the Paris girl, they want to go Tunisia. Fine. The boys, they for wrong. For the money, you are not saying anything because now they give them with freely. Why for get those left for wrong? They do beat the girls. To be sincere,
Okay.
they abuse them.
They beat
The
them
abuse
way.
was too much. Yes, the abuse was too much. You see that they kill themselves for when they go work, or they fight. You see this one say, leave my boyfriend. You see that they all stab themselves, who say injure themselves. It don't make sense now. They fight because of one man for Paris. It's too much for them.
No, not share this video, eh?
Really, it's too cast. Fine, then we not say not them.
Not be person. Not be person they talk for there, so give my phone. May still contribute.
She said she don't want to contribute.
Okay.
Yeah. So I said the thing, the Paris we not say fine. Not be okay, they want to make another say all the guests for Paris. Not be everybody mumu. Not be everybody know where they carry their come from us. No, for that one, some girls there. This one, you know. This one is my friend. You know that they friend this way. You go, still go. Then they do one. You see the one girls will say how much you need. You go there, you go they tell man, say how much you need. Make you leave your
danger me here, they waste our time.
La belle, I don't mama know I don't carry you.
No, I know, but if I did Paris, I'm going to ask a guy, no more carry. Hey, my best to tell me what.
Bros, if they go catch the club, you go there, yeah, Dory, man. They get money. They not they let the poor break.
Talk again. If they go case the club, talk again.
If they go catch the club, they say, Dory, man. After that, they get money.
Dory, man.
They get money.
They get money. Dory, man.
They not they let person hear words.
Yeah.
They're not going to let you waka. Say, if your boyfriend not get, how you want to go?
Okay. If I understand you well now the girls they spend.
Yes, not then. Maybe they for instance now.
Okay, wait, not vessel. Hold on. For example, now you be my girlfriend.